I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather as a cold front tracks to the southeast. Rain and a few rumbles of thunder remain possible through tomorrow morning. Chances are more likely across the central and east, and from after midnight through early tomorrow morning. Most rain amounts should range a tenth to a half inch. Eastern areas along and east of Highway 81 could see amounts of 3/4 of an inch or higher. Drier air behind the cold front scours out the clouds for the return of sunshine tomorrow through the weekend. Northwest wind gusts of 35 to 45 are likely tomorrow on into tomorrow night. Wednesday still breezy with north wind gusts of 20 to 30. After highs this afternoon in the mid-50s to the low 60s, we'll see highs drop into the low to mid-50s for tomorrow and Wednesday. The first hard freeze is Wednesday night with lows in the mid to upper 20s. There is a rebound to highs in the upper 50s Thursday before cooling into the low to mid-50s on Friday. The weekend is nice with highs mostly in the 60s. Long-term forecast continues the milder outlook. Warmer than normal temperatures likely the first 9 days of next month for Nebraska, Kansas, and the rest of the central and western U.S., while the eastern U.S. is seasonal to slightly cooler than normal. Favorable weather for wrapping up harvest on the way with below normal rainfall for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through November 9th. In the outlook for the month of November, Nebraska and Kansas likely to be warmer than normal with mostly above normal precipitation. Key weather factors impacting the markets are rain causing harvest delays across the U.S. and rain returning to central Brazil. Low pressure in a cold front brings scattered rain and some thunderstorms to portions of the plains and upper Midwest through tonight. Tomorrow, low pressure digs southward and organizes widespread rain and thunderstorms across the Midwest, possibly heavy rain across the Mid-South where isolated flash flooding is possible. Storms continue tomorrow along a lingering front from the Missouri Valley into the upper Midwest. The plains are drier for harvest from the midweek on into next week. A clipper-like system dives southeast through the Midwest with isolated rain this weekend. That is followed by another clipper system with more rain late in the weekend into early next week across the Midwest and East, causing further delays in harvest and other field work. Southern Brazil saw scattered rain over the weekend, some of it heavy. Towards central Brazil, rain returns this week after a week of dryness. Due to the dryness, there was not much progress on soybean planting in central Brazil. Concerns of soil moisture for germination and early growth in central Brazil should be alleviated by more widespread rain this weekend into next week. In Argentina, heavy rain late last week filled in some areas that were a little dry, and some widespread rainfall is predicted this weekend. Argentina cooler this week, but any frost in the far south likely to cause little, if any, damage. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.